Two absolute joke clubs go head to head in a massive game tomorrow. It's the Europa League final between Man United and Tottenham. How we got to this point, I actually do not know. Both of these clubs are having absolutely horrendous domestic seasons, yet they find themselves both in a prestigious European final in which they were to win the trophy, they get Champions League next season. I mean, I can't wrap my head around it. Both of them are languishing at the bottom of the table. And to be honest, I actually think those two teams, Man United and Tottenham, are the two worst teams in the Premier League, even above Leicester, Ipswich and Southampton. And the reason I say that is because no one gave those three clubs a chance in the Premier League. So we expected them to be a write-off. Those two are actually the worst of the clubs that we expect to stay up. Therefore, those two are the worst two clubs in the Premier League, period. And the fact that one of these clubs are guaranteed Champions League football next season honestly makes me cry. Now, if Ange's statement does actually come true, where he does win a trophy in his second season, obviously being the Europa League, it's got me thinking, who's had a better season, Spurs or Arsenal? Because yes, I know Arsenal have finished second in the Premier League and they had quite a decent Champions League campaign, beating some big clubs along the way. But ultimately, they finished trophyless again and they have spent a lot of money. So I'm quite intrigued to know who's had a better season. Would it be Spurs if they win the Europa League, or is it Arsenal? Guys, do let me know in the comments. I'm really intrigued to hear your thoughts.